Private sector or public sector? Where is the better leader made?
I think private sector is a better little. Private sector, the more challenges are there. Here, the more handicaps are there in public sector.
So you spent 23 years. The cooperative sector is perhaps the most misunderstood governance in the Indian industry. Why does working inside a cooperative do to a finance professional that a PSU simply cannot?
Cooperative and a normal company is a difference. Each member has one vote, equal. It's not number of shares.
So government, you had only one vote, even then.
Even then, you had one vote. Effectively, that's what I'm saying. Effectively, it was a PSU those days.
So you joined the private sector, some things which you did not expect, and it was there in a private sector. So
Here, I got chance to build my own team. The team was not there. A lot of senior people I brought in. Of course, as I mentioned, we are not governed by the L1 culture of the public sector. And that it's not that we have given a go by to it. And we have actually established a system. We go and decide L1. L1 price is higher than the reasonable price which we feel. Then there is no bar on us to go to a QSC or for whatever. There is no bar on that. So that is the
there is no GFR rule.
this flexibility. Ultimately, we have to provide value for money to the company and the management and the owners of the company.
Like you did not have the flexibility of putting a team together in NFL, but the same flexibility you had it in Metics. So it was an added advantage.
But there are challenges. See, hiring for a private company, and also we are not at senior level. We are not averse to taking people who retire from PSUs. Okay. We are not even for private sector beyond 60. If they are able to contribute, they're having good health, we take them. We as of now we might be having, apart from me, I am seeing maybe 20 people at the senior level who are leadership position. 50% leadership is beyond 60. I would say when you are building a company, you need experienced people in the leadership position.
The decision you would make differently if you could go back.
Many things which actually I have not decided. Many things have decided for me. For example, I never knew when I joined STC that I'm joining a company with so many difficult cases of coming out of financial stress due to a great financial crisis. So that was not of my choice. I actually inherited those. So this is another lesson in leadership, that the problems you don't create, you also inherit problems. Your job is to solve them.
One word for 23 years at Crypco.
Crypco is actually made me what I am.
One word for 5 years as STC.
It was most challenging and most demanding, but also most educating also.
One word for Metics.
Metics is a flower which has started blossoming now.